Okay, so what did we make?
Fluffy slime. Fluffy.
That recipe worked. We
slime.
finally found a recipe that worked.
Yeah. Alright, Mom, well, I'm ready to take it out. Whoa. Whoa. That was big. It feels so weird. Okay.
Okay, I think they want you to take it out and use your hands to knead it into slime, to knead it into the final result.
Yeah, I can't take it out. I'm just going to do it in the bowl.
Yeah, keep scraping and just keep kneading.
Let me knead this up. It feels so good.
Put your hands in, Wyatt.
Ava.
Put your hands in it.
Ah! Feels so weird. Ah! Just keep on eating it. Ah! You gotta grab it. Grab.
So we used borax mixed with
But what about the other green?
teaspoon and 1 cup of warm water.
What about
Half a cup of shaving cream. Nathan can have this when we're done. Food coloring, hand lotion,
Woo.
foamy
Woo.
soap.
This is very cool.
Bobo's got hers going. It's turning into slime, fluffy slime.
It feels so good. It's still sticky.
Yeah, you gotta knead it. Get it together.
Mine is. I'm just messing with it. Got stuck on me. It's so sticky. Ah.
This is not leaving the kitchen.
It's gonna dry out. It's gonna get drier and drier.
Oh, mine is starting to turn to slime. Yeah. There you go. What? Oh, mine's getting.
Doesn't leave the kitchen.
I need to pick this. Oh. Oh. It won't get off my hand.
I got it. I gotta touch it.
Get something messy.
I don't think he can. Watch.
Well, he fell asleep with some one time underneath them, and now we have sheets with neon orange slime on them. So.
And. Mommy, that was Play-Doh. Does it look like it will make